Hello everyone. Today's video is the explanation video of your another chapter from your book, that is Snowflakes. That is chapter number 4, The Elephants That Struck Work, which is written by Samuel White Baker. So let's move to the main story. Many years ago in Ceylon, which is now also known as Sri Lanka, my brother and I had organized a scheme for the development of a mountain sanitarium at New Era area. So many years ago in Ceylon, which is now known as Sri Lanka, so their author and author's brother, they had organized a scheme, organized a plan for the development of a mountain sanitarium. Sanitarium is a kind of hospital. So they have organized a scheme. They planned for a scheme for the development of a hospital on the top of the mountain, which is at New Era area. New Era area is the highest town in Sri Lanka, and it is situated in the southeast of Kandy, which is very well known for its broad and lush green valley and plunging waterfalls and hillside tea plantation. So it is a highest town in Sri Lanka, New Era area. So there the author and author's brother, they decided to develop a mountain sanitarium, that is mountain hospital. Then we had a couple of tame elephant cows employed in various works. So they had a couple of tame elephant. Tame elephant means domestic elephants. Cows, they are employed in various works. So elephants are basically employed for some work, like to carry heavy loads like that, right? So they have couple of domestic elephants for this work, but it was necessary to obtain the assistance of the government stable for the transport of heavy machinery. But the elephant which the author they already has, they already have those elephants are not sufficient for the work. They need some more help, of few more elephants, which can be only obtained by the government stable. Government stable means in the government stable few elephants are there. From there they want some more elephants for the transport of heavy machinery, which could not be conveyed in the ordinary native cart. So those machineries which they cannot carry in the ordinary cart. So for that they need few more elephants. There were accordingly a large number of elephant wagons drawn by their colossal team, some of which require full elephants. So they have a large number of elephant wagons. Also, elephant wagon means a four-wheel vehicle, which is basically carried by this animals. So they have those wagons, but they need some more elephants to carry those wagons. At least they need 4 more elephants like that. Now it was the wet season upon the mountain. Now the season is wet season, means it is rainy season. And then after, our settlement was 6,200 feet above the sea, and their settlement was means they are going to make the sanitarium at the height of 6,200 feet above the sea, and the zigzag pass from Rambod and the way to that place where they are going to make a hospital. So that way is a kind of zigzag way. At the base of the steep ascent, and they have to go to the upper side, means they have to means that is a very high area. Steep means high area. And which was 15 miles in length, and the length of the base up to the steep is like 15 miles. The crest of the pass was 7,000 feet in altitude, and the crest means top of the pass was 7,000 feet in altitude. So altitude means the distance. Altitude is a distance above the sea level, that is called altitude. From which we descended 800 feet to New Era area plan. So from there again they have to go some more, that is 800 feet more to the New Era area plain. So they have to go through, or they have to do a long journey, and that also descend, that also, that is going through upward area, that kind of journey they have to do. Okay. The elephant wagons having arrived at Rambode from Colombo, about 100-mile distance. So the elephant wagon means to vehicle, that vehicle. They have arrived at Rambode from Colombo. So they have ordered some elephant wagons, some more elephant wagons to carry heavy machinery, and they came from Colombo to Rambode, about 100-mile distance, which is 100 mile. Okay. Then after commenced the heavy uphill journey, and from there they had started their heavy uphill journey. The rain was unceasing. The rain was unceasing means the rain is not stop. Okay, it was continuously, the rain was continuously going on. Okay. Because of that, the roads were soft, and the heavily laden wagons sunk deeply in the ruts. Ruts means कीचड़. Okay, so what happened? The basically the hilly area, obviously there you will not get pakka roads, right? Those roads are kacha roads. Okay. And basically that red soil roads. So what happened when the rain continuously flow on that kind of soil? So the heavy wagons, their wheels, they get stuck there, isn't it? So something that happened at that time, because the rain was not stopped. Okay. Rain was continuously, it is continuously raining, and then after, because of that, the roads become soft, the soil becomes soft, and the heavy laden wagons, okay, they are sunk deeply. Sunk means khusna. They are sunk deeply in the ruts. But the elephant were mighty beasts. But the elephants are very, very huge, enormous. Okay, mighty beast means huge and enormous, and they are laying their full weight against the work. Means they are giving full energy to the work. Okay, that is pulling the wagons. They slowly drag the vehicle up the yielding and narrow way. So they are doing, they cannot go fast, so slowly they are dragging up the vehicles. Okay, and they are going to the narrow path, upward narrow path. The abrupt zigzag bothered the long wagon and their still longer team. And abrupt means the unexpected, those unexpected, this one, zigzag path. Okay, they are bothering the long wagon to go smoothly above the hill. Okay. And still they have a longer team, means on not only one wagon, there are 2 to 3 4 wagons are there. Okay. The bridges over dangerous chasm entail the necessity of unloading the heavier cart and caused great delay. So the bridges are also bridges over dangerous terms. So some of the bridges, they in the on the way, they have got some bridges also. Okay, bridges over those chasm means a deep hole on the ground. So those are also where, from passing from those bridges are also becoming very, very difficult for the elephants. Okay, and the wagons. Okay. So on that time, what they have to do, they have to unload the heavier cart, and then after they have to move the wagon. It means they have to cross the bridges, then again they have to load the cart. So these are the things, these are the things also, the cause for delay. Okay. Day after day passed away, but although the ascent was slow, the wagon still moved upward. So in this way, but not only one day, 2 3 days, it is passing. Okay, but the work is slow. The wagon still move upward, and the region of everlasting, move to the next page, everlasting mist at that season was rich. So as it is continuously raining and it is a rainforest area, so what happened, when it continuously rain, then you will get to see the mist around everywhere, right? So day after day they are passing, they are going upward, and what happened, the region of everlasting mist, mean everything, every area is covered with mist. Okay. Dense forest cloth the mountain side. So dense forest, they are, dense forest means ghane jungle, right? So dense forest, they are blocking the mountain sides. Then the road, that is a roaring sound of waterfall, it is covering the entire valley, that is black ravines, means the black means because of density of the forest. What happened, you will not get to see proper sunlight, and it's as it is still raining, so there is no sunlight, no proper sunlight. So the roar of the waterfall also, it is resounding everywhere in the entire valley. Ravine means valley. Okay, then tangled bamboo grass crept upward from the wet soil into the lower branches of the moss covered tree. So the bamboo grass, they are creeping upward. Okay, creeping upward on the lower branches of the moss covered trees and form a green curtain impenetrable to sight. And it is forming a green curtain which is like giving difficulty to see the forward area. Means what is going, but means it is a jungle area, so that's why they cannot see what is in front of them. Okay, the thermometer fell daily as the altitude increased. As they are going uh, at the high area, as they are going in a high area. Okay, so the thermometer fell. Thermometer fell means, I think all of you know that if we step on the mountain, if we go on the mountain, then as we go up, then the temperature comes down, isn't it? So same way the thermometer means the temperature is coming down, means it is like little bit of cold, they are feeling little bit of cold. Okay, as they are going upward, going to the upward direction, the elephant began to sicken, and in this way the elephant are also started to sick, because already they are this one uh, pulling those heavy loads. Okay, and that also the rain, it is continuously raining, so the elephants are also started to get sick. Two fine animals were too ill to work. So there are two fine animals, two elephants are there, they are so ill that they are unable to work. Okay, so there were plenty of food, they have carried plenty of food with them, and along with that the nature also give them plenty of food. Okay, as the bamboo grass was the natural provender, so bamboo grass was the natural food for the elephant. And in the carts also they carried a good amount of paddy for the elephant, but the elephant intelligence was acting against them. Now elephants, all the elephants are also, they get fed up by carrying those heavy loads in this difficult this one path. Okay, this difficult path, so their intelligence was also acting against them. They had reasoned and had become despondent. So they, despondent means they are feeling extremely discouragement to do the work. Okay, so they are also uh, becoming despondent, means they did not show that much, they did not want to give much more effort to pull the heavy loads. Okay, so the elephants also trying to stop the work there. For 9 or 10 days they have been exposed to ceaseless wet and cold. So for 9 or 10 days these elephants are continuously, they are working in the wet and cold season. Okay, as there is no shelter from them, shelter for them, and they are moving continuously. Okay, so dragging their unmanageable wagon up a road that even in dry weather was insufficient to sustain the wet. So they are dragging that unmanageable wagons, means they are dragging the very very heavy wagons up on that kind of a road where even if in the dry weather also uh, the weight are unable for them to carry. Okay, but they are working in which weather, they are working in a rainy season, that is wet weather. Okay, so you can just imagine that how difficult it would be for them to carry those heavy loads no to up in the mountain. The wheel sank deep below the metal foundation, the wheel are also sinking. Okay, it's sinking below the metal foundation and become hopelessly embedded, and it is difficult for them to move the wagons. Okay, again and again the wagon had to be emptied of their contents. So to move the wagon when they get sunk in the ruts, so to move the wagon again they have to unload the heavy loads. Okay, and then again they have to put some extra elephant to carry out the cart from the ruts, and again they have to load those heavy machinery. So in this way they have to do all these things again and again, like loading and unloading in the mid of the way. So because of that the elephants are also become very very tired. Okay. Thus, the time had passed, and the elephant had evidently reasoned up the situation. So, in this way, time had passed, and now elephant are fully against to do the work, and had concluded that there was no summit to the mountain. And they also thought that there is no summit. Summit means there is no end to the mountain, and no end to the steep and horrible ascent. And the situation is very very horrible at the time. Situation is also, and the way upward way is also horrible. It would be therefore useless to preserve in unavailing effort. So they thought that it is useless to do this unavailing effort. It is useless to put their effort in this unexpected work. They determined under this heartbreaking circumstance to strike work, and they did strike. So they determined, all the elephants they thought to strike. So they had done strike. Okay. Strike means none of the elephant now want to move again, move upward. Then what happened? One morning, a couple of the elephant driver appeared at my house in New Area. So one morning, couple of the elephant driver, that is Maud, they appeared at Author House, which is in New Area, and they described the situation. What is the situation? That the elephant, they are now they doesn't want to move, they doesn't want to carry those heavy loads. They had they were on strike. Okay. They declared that it was absolutely impossible to induce the elephant to work. So they also said, the elephant driver also said, that it was impossible for them also to induce, means to convince the elephant to work. They had given it up as a bad job. So they had totally, the elephant have totally given up the job. I immediately mounted my horse and rode up to the pass. So after hearing this, the author immediately he took his horse, and then after he ride up to the pass. Ride up to the pass means to the mountain pass. Okay. And descended the road upon the other side, and then he come to the other side of the road, and timing the distance with my watch. So he see his watch, that as soon as possible he wanted to reach to the elephant where they had stopped. Okay. Rather, under 2 miles from the summit, I found the road completely blocked with elephant cart and wagon. So from 2 miles from the summit, means there is only 2 miles to go to the summit. Summit means that final destination. And they found that the road was completely blocked with elephant cart and wagons, and the elephants or the animals were grazing upon bamboo grass in the thick forest, and the rain was also drizzling. So the rain is also, it's also raining, and a thick mist increased the misery of the scene, and there is a thick mist all around the forest. I ordered 4 elephants to be harnessed to a cart intended for only one animal. So, what the author had done after observing the scenario, he ordered 4 more elephants to carry out the cart, okay, to help this elephant. This was quickly effected, and the driver, with some astride an animal's neck, and prodded them with their iron hook. So the elephant driver also, they are those which are sitting back. Astride means those who are sitting back on the animal's neck. They are also convincing them, okay, by hitting them with iron hooks. Okay. But after all this effort, none of the elephant they want to pull the dragon, and in vain the driver coaxed the elephant. The driver, they are trying to coax means manana. Okay. To convince, they are trying to convince the elephant to move. Then used every thought in their vocabulary, means every thought means जिस तरह से हो सके उस तरह से उन लोगों को मनाने की कोशिश की. ओके. डांट के, प्यार से, जैसे भी. ओके. बट relentlessly prodding the massive beast on their neck and shoulder with the iron point of their hook, and they are hitting, okay, or uplifting the uplifting the elephants on their neck and shoulder by with the iron point. But what happened? None of the elephant they did any response. Okay. So what they did, just simply moving their legs up and down, and they're swinging their trunk to and fro, but none of them want to pull the cart. Okay. So the author, he had never seen such a situation of passive, that is inactiveness, and determined Obstinacy means ziddipan. Okay, he had never seen such kind of situation where elephant have shown their inactiveness and they are showing their stubbornness, okay, towards the work. And the case was really hopeless at the time, because now there is only 2 miles to reach to the final destination, and the elephant, they had stopped their work. Okay, you just think that the elephant also can do strike. Not only human being, the elephant also, the animals also do can strike. Okay, sorry, can do strike. Then an idea struck me, so the author got an idea. Then what he did, I ordered a driver to detach the 4 elephant from the harness. So the he ordered the driver to detach mean to separate the 4 elephant from the harness means that wagon, and to ride them thus inflated up the pass. And they asked them, the elephant, to come uh, to the pass, okay, following behind my horse. So he asked the elephant to come after him, means he has already the author already come to that elephant, means that destination, with the help of horse. So he want the elephants to follow him. Okay, it appeared to me that the elephant were heartbroken, so he realized that the elephant are totally heartbroken. They don't want it to do any more work, because they are totally tired, and they are like very very tired. They are very very tired, and some of them are, they already fall sick and in despair at the apparently interminable mountain pass. So they don't want to uh, come up more to that pass, okay, that is mountain pass. It might be advisable to let them know the actual truth by showing them that they were hardly 2 miles from the summit. So the author want them to realize that actual truth. The author want them to realize the actual truth, that there is only and only 2 miles to go, not more. Okay, so where they would exchange their uphill labor for a descent into New Era area. So he want them to know, he want the elephant to know that if they will come only 2 miles, then they can exchange their cart with some other elephants at New Era area. They would have an extra feed with plenty of jaggery. Jaggery means a coarse brown sugar. So they will get extra feeding, okay, with plenty of jaggery, and be introduced to a companionship of our 2 female elephants. So in this way he wanted to convince the elephant that they will have a good amount of food when they will get New Era area and everything, if they pass an agreeable night with the best of food and warm quarter. So he want the elephant to convince they, if they pass these 2 miles, then they will have a good sleep, okay, in with a good food and a warm quarter. Warm quarter means stable for them. They would possibly return the following day to their work, and with lighter heart put their shoulder to the wheel instead of yielding to a dogged altitude of despair. So when he convinced the elephant, at a time, the elephant, they lightly they moved their shoulder, and they started to put their effort in carrying the heavy loads. The result of the ruse was perfect. So the trick which the author had applied to convince them, it was perfectly worked on them. The elephant accompanied me to New Era. The elephant, they accompanied means they gave him company to New Era and were well fed and cared for, and they are well fed and cared there. Okay, and on the following day we return to the heavy work, and again on the next day they again return to their heavy work. And I myself witnessed their start with hitherto unyielding wagon, and he himself, the author himself, he witnessed that they have already started with a firm wagon. So firm wagon means the heavy wagon. They started their journey. Not only did they exert their full power and drag the lumbering load straight up the fatiguing hill without slightest hesitation, but their example or some unaccountable communication between them appear to give general encouragement. So the elephants, they communicate among themselves, right? So in this way what happened, all the elephant, they put their effort to again start their journey from New Era area to the final destination. I employed the most willing elephant as extra to each wagon. So he employed some more elephants, elephants to each and every, to extra elephants to each and every wagon, so that the rest of the elephant, they no need to put so much of pressure and effort. While they drew to the summit to the pass and then returned to assess the other, thus completing what had been pronounced by the driver as utterly impossible. So in this way he made it possible. Made it possible means what is possible, what possibility, that the elephant they again started to do their work. And there can be no doubt that the elephant had at once perceived the situation and in consequence recovered their lost courage. So now all the elephant they have recovered their lost courage. Okay, so in this way the author had convinced the elephant to stop their strike and to back on the work. So this is about the story the elephant that struck work. So for this much, thank you.